Hi Kyle, how are you?
Hello.
My name is Tara. I'm going to do your consultation for you today.
Cool.
So I guess we can kind of start off. You can kind of let me know a little bit about your hair system journey, kind of what you've researched, how you've got to where you are right now, and then we can kind of go from there.
I've been bald for nearly 9 years.
I had never thought about having hair again. It was kind of done for me. Then I kind of
Okay.
got excited. I kind of got excited at the idea.
The
It's
prospect of
strange.
having hair again? Yeah, of course.
Yeah, because it was never really an option, you know.
We have so many different options in Hairpieces also. So you have like that option to like, let's try this one. And then, oh, well, let's try this one. So, you can find out what works
Yeah.
the best for you and how you feel about it and then kind of go from there. Just to kind of explain the whole, how everything works with hair systems. So really, essentially, you have a hairpiece that you decide which is going to work best for you, whether it be something that's more durable or something that's more natural, kind of where you want that to be. The density of the hair, so how thick you want the hair, how thin you want the hair, the color of the hair. So those things we obviously, are going to help to determine today. Then you want to determine, how long you're looking to wear a hairpiece for. So are you wearing a hairpiece for, keeping it on as long as possible until you have to take it off? Or are you looking to take it off at night and just put it on during the day, or is it just for special events? Because I have people doing all of that stuff. So, you can really decide and get very specific on how you want to wear a hairpiece. So, we have different adhesives from anything from glues to glues and tapes. So it's really dependent on, what you're looking for.
That's what I was concerned with because I play soccer competitively.
Okay.
So I was wondering, like intense sports, and I go to the gym every day.
You can do all of that. That is not an issue. I mean, probably going with something more of a lace system might be more ideal for you because, they are more breathable. I know we have some videos online with JJ Cadwell. I don't know if you've seen him. We have some videos of him like doing a major workout, and he has a skin base when he was working out with that. So again, all those things are very much possible. Yeah. But no, lace systems are nice. Because you're getting kind of like the best of both worlds. You get some durability. They do breathe, and so you have like that aspect going on there. Now, a basic lace system will last you, once you know how to take care of them, about 3 months. Do you know what your measurements were by chance?
I think it was like 10.5 inches, the longest part, and it was 6 inches across.
Okay, 6.
I can grow fully on the back and sides, just the top.
The M105 probably would be the best bet just because of how long it is at the back. Now, our longest non-custom pieces are 10 inches to the back. So, that half of an inch might, you don't want to have to go into a custom piece because then they get even more expensive. So, now when you were measuring, did you do like the 4 fingers, 3 fingers?
Yeah, did 3, yeah.
Okay. So you have to obviously make sure that your hairline's coming to a natural area, also, so that So I mean, moving it back slightly a half of an inch shouldn't be too much of a big deal. Yeah. So most likely, because you're still a young guy,
I don't feel that young.
having a half decent amount of density. So you could go with the 120%. So when I'm talking about percentage of density, it's always in essence of, I kind of look at it like 120% density is like an average head of hair. So like if someone says, oh, how much density would you have? I have about 120% density. So going anything over that would be thicker. Going anything less than that would be thinner. Usually as we get older, when gentlemen get a little bit older, it's nice to go with a little bit thinner to make it more natural looking. But I'm still feeling that you could get away with the 120%. So that shouldn't be an issue. So yeah, so that's the HD 105. So it's all French lace. Okay. And the great thing about this is it can be customized to any size you want. Do you have someone that you have that's going to install it for you?
Jamie's hairstylist.
Oh.
The one that did his.
Okay,
so
good
I
job.
think they're a place that does them
as a job. So
Oh, good, good, good. Perfect.
Yeah.
So if I go with the very light brown, no color, and I have them available, so yay. So yeah, that's probably the one. Yay, we're all good. That's probably the one that's gonna be my recommendation for you. I think just based on the size, because we can cut the size down to, obviously we keep the length, but cut the size down to the 6. And again, it's all breathable. Now, the great thing with this is you can really determine which kind of adhesive you're looking to use with it, whether you want to use tape or whether you want to use glue. So, grow the hair out a little bit more. So then once you actually can see what's going on, we can get that system to you. You can do a comparison, and then we know for sure that it's the right color. So we'll get that done, and if you have any questions or issues, you can feel free to reach out to us, and Daniela will definitely answer any questions. And yeah, can't wait to see you in some hair.
My nervousness is gone.
See, that's
cool.
good.
Yeah.
I'm so glad. My job is done. All right. Okay, Kyle, it was great speaking with you.
You too.
All right. Thank you. Bye. Have a good one.